In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Shein account on Chrome and request a refund for an order you didn't receive. This process is straightforward, but I'll walk you through each step to ensure everything is crystal clear. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open the Chrome browser on your device. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as this will help avoid any interruptions during the process. Once Chrome is open, head over to the Shein website by typing shein.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Now on the Shein homepage, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Go ahead and type in your email address and your password carefully. If you have your login information saved, Chrome might automatically fill this in for you, which is super convenient. Once you've input your details, click Login to access your account. With your account dashboard in front of you, your next step is to navigate to the My Orders section. You can easily find this option in the main menu, typically located near the top of your account page. Once in My Orders, you'll see a list of all the orders you've placed. Now scan through and find the specific order that's gone missing or hasn't been received. Once you've located the right order, it's time to proceed with either a refund request or an inquiry about the unreceived order. Most often you'll see an option near the order details that says Request Refund or Order Not Received. Click this option to move forward. This next step is where you'll need to provide some additional information. The platform will typically ask for specific details such as why you're requesting a refund or more information related to the missing order. Be thorough and precise in your explanation, as the more details you provide, the quicker your issue can be resolved. After providing the necessary information, you'll find a button to submit your request. Give that a click. Once submitted, your part of the process is mostly complete. However, if you don't hear back within a reasonable amount of time, or if your issue is complex, you might want to consider reaching out to Shein's customer support team for further assistance. They can offer more insight and expedite the resolution process if needed. Finally, keep an eye on your email inbox and Shein account notifications, patiently waiting for refund confirmation. This confirmation will inform you once your refund has been processed or if there are any additional steps you need to take. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any issues with missing orders on Shein. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one.